you extinguisher, right?
So I'm putting, yeah,
Fire extinguisher, that's all. Fire extinguishers. And ERP.
ERP will be there,
Construction ERP.
or we say interface, because
No,
here
no, no. That is interface is different. This is their own ERP.
construction ERP.
Construction ERP.
PP,
You are having right?
first aid.
Whatever is writing is supposed to have.
Yes, now.
Don't, if nothing is there, tell notice of that. Okay, otherwise we'll be in trouble. They will be in trouble because whatever is there, just tell them is there.
So we have taken this one and we are okay. For diesel, I'm not worried. Other flammable, I'm not worried about here because there is no some more cellulosic material. But we say this is not a major thing.
No critical scenario.
No critical scenario, right? Identified.
Cellulose material maybe it's the what
Paper, cardboard.
wood and other thing, right? Some wood and other material will be there.
That is also very the for the signages.
Very small.
There is
No critical scenario. As quantity is less.
No, don't put it there. Because there is no such,
Yeah.
there is no official side. If
Yeah.
the office is there, we can say it is there. There is no office, no
Yeah.
data. Data is only for the people to waste.
Correct. Explosive. And cement dust. You are going to use cement?
No.
No cement.
Cement industry is not having, no, you are for roads or you are using concrete.
Concrete.
But cement will be there. Let us put it because you are going in the construction. You may use some cement, and cement dust may, give the cement exposure, dust exposure. So let us keep it, and no major concern. No major concern.
But you are using premix or you are using cement? Because this will be premix cement will come.
Yeah.
It's not a powder, right?
If you
You are not going to a batching plant that side.
so
Because they are using premix.
then I remove
Premix
it.
and just pour it in, right? Doing the premix, there is no dust at all.
Okay.
Confirm, I'm just assuming. I'm assuming that definitely because of the small amount of work,
Yeah.
definitely you will not have the batching plant.
No.
You will-
road work also very small work.
So
See.
there is no limit, there is not applicable. It is not
Okay.
applicable.
See, I can definitely remove it, but I would say that even if you are using a small quantity of cement, dry cement, so let us keep it because you may make some foundation small.
There is no chance of dry cement.
Okay, remove it. Okay,
They
no.
will use the premix, sir.
Yeah.
If you have somewhere to mix in.
So no critical scenario.
No, not applicable. Not applicable. Not applicable. They are not going to bring the cement, dry cement.
Hydrogen we have removed. There is no hydrogen, so we'll remove it. Astrologic gases is not applicable, but we are saying here refer it, so no problem because we have done this 1.6, so let us keep it. For pressure hazard, are you going to use?
There for anything you are putting explosive to for this one, rocking is the thing there is no rock, only just manual excavation only.
No explosive material, no gun.
Because there is no underground utilities not there, and we're just cutting some areas for the 100 centimeter cutting some areas when we can.
That from the excavator.
Excavator.
Yeah, that's okay. So for pressure hazard, are you going to use bottle cylinder? Are you going to use any bottle cylinder like argon, oxygen,
So
LPG?
cutting,
Nothing.
nothing is there.
Okay, but in construction,
No, but what you are saying, we are building the fans. So what type of fans you are going to make?
That is only the.
but some small welding you may be doing it. Small welding or cutting.
I'm sure there is no welding. I'm sure. Because the fence installation, there is no welding.
Mainly because the MS work is your fence installation is only carbon steel or something material is there.
Changing
That's what.
changing to this, cutting into this
Scissor.
system.
Okay, then remove it. I remove it. Remove it.
Not applicable.
Not applicable. Water under pressure, no hydrocarbon. Air, you are going to use any compressor? No compressor?
No, for compacting purpose.
Air hammer,
This compaction.
Hydraulic
hydraulic.
So then we have to go hydraulic oil use that from there.
Hydraulic, then I can put it.
Even this excavator have hydraulic.
Hydraulic oil, right? You have hydraulic oil.
Hydraulic oil, this
So hydraulic oil to
because equipment using there, definitely there should be a minor.
hydraulic, yeah. Hydraulic oil to go. Hello.
But this is
Even the quantity is very less. quantity is very less.
Yes.